Welcome to tip 24, a little bit different. These are 3 non-driving tips to help you pass your driving test. Nonetheless, these are 3 vital tips, so watch very carefully right to the end. Tip number 1, know your theory. Rules of the road, bonnet checks, secondary controls, hand signals. No excuse for anybody getting a grade 2 error on any of these. So if you're a little unsure of any of the theory, go back, make sure you're very comfortable with it so that you keep all your errors for the driving and that you don't make any mistakes on the theory side. Tip number 2, listen to your driving instructor and your examiner. I know it's not easy, I know. But do listen. Your driving instructor has your best interests at heart. So any advice your instructor gives you, follow that advice. And your examiner on the day, listen carefully to the instructions from the examiner. With masks, it makes it a little more difficult now because we're in COVID times, so masks are worn. Anything you don't understand, anything you mishear, ask again straight away, clarify the situation, and try and be as clear as possible on all instructions from the examiner. That way your test will flow much better. And finally, don't give up. Try your very best from start to finish. Give it 100%. This is difficult, particularly if things aren't going as well as expected in the first couple of minutes. Ignore it. All mistakes, leave them behind on the road. Don't bring them with you. You can think about them after. So, 100% from start to finish. If the examiner is tapping the iPad, don't worry. It may have nothing to do with grade 2 or grade 3 errors for you. The examiner may be just catching up on some other items they have to tick off. So don't presume that things, just because you think they're going wrong, don't become the examiner yourself and be failing yourself in your own head. Drive as well as you possibly can and give it every effort you can from start to finish. The amount of people who have come out to me after their driving tests are finished and said, I passed, but I thought I did really bad. I really was sure I had failed, but I passed because they kept trying. So don't give up. Try your hardest from start to finish and it will give you the very best chance of passing first time. Speaking of Pass First Time, check out the website for more tips on how to pass your driving test and our course half price for just the next couple of days. A great addition to helping you pass your driving test. Please like, subscribe, click the bell to get notifications on all our videos and we will see you in the next one. Want to pass your driving test first time? Check out our pre-test driving course. Saving you time, money and giving you the best chance of passing first time. With RSA approved driving instructors, short, easy to follow video lessons covering all topics: reverse, turnabout, marking sheet, dual carriageway, car checks, bonnet checks, and a whole lot more to help you pass your driving test. This is your 24/7 driving instructor. Check it out today.